The Nairobi International Convention on the Removal of Wrecks 2007 is an international maritime treaty that establishes a legal framework for the identification, marking, and removal of shipwrecks that pose a hazard to navigation, safety, or the marine environment, particularly in a coastal state's exclusive economic zone, EEZ. It also places financial and legal responsibility on ship owners for the costs of wreck removal. What is the convention used for? The Nairobi International Convention on the Removal of Wrecks provides a legal framework for dealing with shipwrecks, and the key functions include requiring ship owners to take responsibility for wreck removal, setting rules for reporting, marking, and locating wrecks, allowing states to act to remove dangerous wrecks beyond territorial waters.
When was it established? The convention was adopted on the 18th of May 2007 during a diplomatic conference in Nairobi, Kenya. It entered into force on the 14th of April 2015 once enough states had ratified it. The number of ratifications changes over time as more countries join. Early sources, 2018, reported 41 ratifications. More recent data indicates that approximately 57 states have ratified the convention. Other reports suggest the treaty is in force in 70 states, including those that have exceeded an extended application. The convention was created to fill a gap in international maritime law. Before it was adopted, there were no uniform rules governing how states could deal with hazardous shipwrecks, especially those outside territorial waters but within the EEZ. Without a clear legal basis, coastal states lacked authority to remove wrecks that endangered navigation in their EEZ. There was uncertainty about who pays the costs of removal. International responses were inconsistent and often led to disputes. The convention establishes clear liability and uniform procedures to ensure that wrecks are dealt with promptly and efficiently, protecting navigation and the marine environment. Which organization manages the convention? The convention operates under the International Maritime Organization, IMO, a specialized agency of the United Nations focused on maritime safety and environmental protection. The IMO hosts the treaty, supports its implementation, and maintains the depository functions. The convention provides several significant benefits: improved safety of navigation, environmental protection, clear liability and financial security, consistency and predictability, cost recovery for states.